The DJI Osmo Action 6 has finally emerged from months of speculation, leaks, and rumors, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting action cameras we've seen in years. A newly surfaced image shows the Osmo Action 6 mounted on a motorbike handlebar, with a compact control unit near the throttle grip displaying live recording details in 4000 at 25 frames per second. The shot, likely captured during golden hour, reflects DJI's focus on professional outdoor usability and an adventurous aesthetic. The lighting, the setup, and the placement all point toward DJI's next-generation action camera being designed for creators who live life on the move. This leak is more than just a tease, it's a signal that DJI is ready to push the limits again. The biggest talking point is the rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor with a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, something never before seen in the Osmo line. This new setup promises a massive leap in image quality, low light performance, and overall dynamic range. Whether you're filming in bright daylight or during sunset, the camera will adapt effortlessly, letting creators capture rich, cinematic visuals without needing ND filters or complex manual setups. When the light fades, opening the aperture to f2.0 will allow more light in, reducing noise and keeping shots clean and detailed. This feature alone positions the Action 6 as a game-changer for content creators who want DSLR-level flexibility in a pocket-sized form. DJI's design team has also been quietly refining the body. The familiar pill-shaped element beneath the front display has been replaced with a simple white square next to the Action logo, hinting at a new placement for the color temperature sensor. This change gives the camera a cleaner and more modern look. Next to the logo, a small dot has appeared, which could be an ambient light sensor or possibly a secondary microphone port. If it's an ambient sensor, that would mean automatic screen brightness adjustments independent of the main camera's sensor first for DJI's Action line. Every tweak on the Action 6 feels deliberate, reflecting a philosophy of evolution rather than revolution. The design isn't drastically different, but it's more refined, cohesive, and purpose-built for creators who need both beauty and utility. The heart of the buzz, though, is about what this camera can actually do. DJI is reportedly going bold this year, delivering near cinema-level performance in an action body. The Osmo Action 6 will reportedly feature a variable aperture lens combined with the near 1-inch sensor, offering an entirely new level of image depth and control. The footage will look richer, more natural, and much more dynamic than what we've come to expect from compact cameras. It's essentially DJI's way of saying they're ready to dominate the flagship action camera segment, stepping directly into GoPro's territory and perhaps even surpassing it. Battery life is another huge talking point. DJI seems to have rewritten the rules by offering up to 4 hours of continuous recording in 4K, something almost unheard of in the action camera space. That's double what many competitors currently offer. This endurance makes it a dream tool for adventurers, vloggers, and travelers who want to film all day without worrying about constantly swapping batteries. When you pair that with the rumored pricing $329 for the base model, $429 for an extended bundle, and up to $579 for the adventure kit, it becomes clear that DJI is aiming to undercut the market while we're delivering on features. Early leaks also suggest the Action 6 will ship with DJI's new RockSteady 4.0 stabilization system, which integrates eye-powered horizon leveling. This step could maintain a perfectly level horizon no matter how intense the motion gets. Imagine filming high-speed mountain bike runs, surfing sessions, or even skydiving clips without worrying about the horizon drifting or the footage becoming unstable. If this is true, it's a massive leap forward for action camera stabilization, turning chaotic scenes into silky smooth, professional quality footage. Durability remains a core strength. The Action 6 is expected to keep the rugged waterproof build of its predecessor, surviving underwater up to 20 meters without any external housing. It's built to handle freezing temperatures, high heat, dust, and impact, essentially the kind of camera you can take anywhere without hesitation. DJI clearly knows that their audience expects performance and resilience in one package. When stacked against its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, the new model looks like a true generational leap. The Action 5 Pro already impressed with its 1.3-inch sensor and 40-megapixel stills, but the Action 6's rumored 1-inch sensor will take low-light capabilities, color depth, and detail to new heights. The difference won't just be technical, it'll be visible to the naked eye. The Action 6 could potentially record in 8K, allowing creators to crop and reframe footage without losing detail. That level of flexibility transforms post-production, giving vloggers and filmmakers much more creative control. Even though the Action 5 Pro's stabilization and 4K 120 FPS performance already put it among the best, DJI is set to one-up itself. The new RockSteady 4.0 system paired with AI-driven 360 horizon leveling is designed to handle even the most chaotic movements while keeping footage cinematic and stable. That's a dream come true for extreme sports and fast action shooting. Leaker Igor Bogdanov, who has a solid track record with DJI products, claims the Osmo Action 6 will feature a 1950 mAh battery capable of 4K 30 FPS recording for about 2 hours straight, and the extended modes will stretch that to 4 hours with optimized power settings. The overall shooting experience is expected to feel smoother, faster, and more intuitive, with faster boot times, improved touchscreen responsiveness, and better connectivity options through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The leaks also reveal that DJI won't be stopping there. Alongside the Osmo Action 6, the company is preparing to unveil the DJI Neo 2 drone and Osmo Mobile 8 stabilizer. It's shaping up to be one of DJI's biggest product waves in recent years, signaling that 2025 could be a monumental year for creators. And that's not all. The Osmo Action 6 story seamlessly ties into another exciting development, the leaked images of the upcoming DJI Pocket 4. These new photos, reportedly shot during a promotional video session in Barcelona, showcase DJI's next-gen pocket gimbal camera. The Pocket 4 looks slimmer, lighter, and more ergonomic than its predecessor, the Pocket 3. It now weighs just 116 grams compared to the Pocket 3's 179 grams, making it far easier to handle during long shoots. The updated dimensions 145 by 38.3 by 30 mm give it a taller but thinner profile, and the redesigned button layout suggests DJI is focusing on usability and creator comfort. Two new buttons under the screen are rumored to control dual camera functions, such as toggling between lenses or activating a split view mode, giving creators faster access to shooting options without relying entirely on the touchscreen. Interestingly, DJI has remained tight-lipped about all of these leaks. There's been no official statement, teaser, or confirmation, which has only added more fuel to the excitement. Internal documents linked to the Pocket 4 reportedly mention advanced safety and battery guidelines, implying that the camera is already in its final testing phase, usually a sign that release is near. If the timelines line up, DJI might launch both the Action 6 and Pocket 4 close together, possibly between late 2025 and early 2026. Despite the secrecy, one thing is clear: DJI is in full stride. With the Osmo Action 6's rumored specifications, it's clear they're pushing boundaries in design, performance, and affordability. This camera could redefine what creators expect from an action cam, bringing professional-level imaging to a device that fits in your pocket. From ultra-long battery life and adjustable aperture to advanced stabilization and a stunning new design, the Osmo Action 6 might just be the perfect blend of endurance, clarity, and power. So, as the November 2025 launch window approaches and pre-orders prepare to open, one question remains: can GoPro or Insta360 catch up? If these leaks are accurate, DJI isn't just competing anymore, it's setting a new standard for the entire action camera industry.